Okay, so today we're going to make a wedding band for this fitted engagement ring. I sourced some salt and pepper diamonds for the client. They're in the sellotape right now because I tried them on her finger, so I have to peel them out of that first. This is super difficult, but once I've got them out of there, as usual, I pop them on the blue tack. Then I measure how much ring I'm going to need and cut this off of the wax tube. I feel like you guys know the drill by now. So this is the bit I'm left with, and then I measure my stone and transpose that onto the tube. I wanted to show you guys that I actually cut these spokes into the tube first before cutting around the circle. Now, I cut these spokes in because it helps with accuracy. It gives you like checkpoints as you're going around cutting each piece. So you'll see what that looks like when I've cut this piece off. And I swear to God, it makes all the difference. Cutting around circles on thick bits of tube are really difficult. So yeah, if you need help with that, then that's useful. Then I file it up and I start drilling a hole for my pear-shaped diamond, which is obviously the biggest one. Once I've drilled the hole for that and seated it, that's what that looks like. Then I measure the engagement ring and transpose this measurement onto the wax so I can cut out a little dip for the engagement ring to sit into. We want to get the engagement ring nice and seated so that we can add in the other details like the stones and the details in between the stones. Once I've got my rough shape, I start detailing properly. This is cutting, engraving, sawing, lots of filing and patience. I keep doing this and trying to focus on getting all of the details even. This is a symmetrical ring, so I need to make sure I'm extra attentive. This is what the piece ends up looking like. This is the piece next to the engagement ring, so it's a nice fit. I'm really happy with what it looks like with the stones in as well. I think it looks really nice. And this is what the two look like together with the stones. Come back for part 2 where I cast this in metal and set all the stones. Thank you so much for watching.